Are you looking for an out-of-this-world mac and cheese recipe? I'm making mac and cheese cheesecake. This is part of a collaboration called Slack and Cheese with my friends, the Dude's Kitchen and Patty Joe Cooking, two super chill guys. I'm getting a half a box of macaroni cooking on the stove. While that's cooking, I need to make a crust. I need 3 tablespoons of butter, melted. I'm gonna mix in about a cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs. I'll be pressing this into a prepared springform pan. I'm gonna cook this crust in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Grab a food processor and add 8 ounces of cottage cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Mix it until smooth-ish. Add in a 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 eggs, some Italian seasoning, and some minced garlic. Blend it until smooth. I'm draining those noodles and putting them in a bowl. Add a can of drained diced tomatoes. Mix it together and let it cool for a little bit. Stir in that cheese mixture and pour that into the springform pan. I'm gonna bake this at 325 for 45 minutes. It's done cooking. Now I'm gonna turn off the oven, but I'm gonna leave it in there for about 45 minutes. Just leave the oven open a crack. I've pulled it out of the oven. Now I'm just gonna let it sit on the counter for about 10 minutes, and then it's time to open up the pan. Let's see. I'm a little nervous to find out. Oh my gosh. There it is. That is pretty beautiful, isn't it? Let's slice it. Mac and cheese cheesecake. Let's find out. Ooh. It is magnificent. It's wonderful. You could turn mac and cheese into cheesecake. Who knew? Well, we're doing it here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching me make this cheesecake. And guess what? You're gonna have to check out and see what other mac and cheese videos are happening. Just check this hashtag Slack and Cheese, and you'll see lots more mac and cheese videos. I found a ziti in my macaroni. It's an impasta. 2 eggs.